YieldNodes is getting really popular lately for the sustainable returns it has been giving with the Masternode business, even during this bear market having 6.5% return for the month of May. In this video, we will go over the easiest way to deposit and invest into YieldNodes, as I have seen some people get stuck in the process. The first step is to register in the official website. You have the link to the official page of YieldNodes in the description. Take care because there are fake sites pretending to be YieldNodes and they will steal your funds, so make sure you're registering through the real YieldNodes. As I said, you have the link in the description so that way you don't miss it. When you register, make sure you type correctly your first and last name, as they will later on verify this information. Also try to have a very strong password, including capital letters, numbers, and even symbols if you want. As you interact with YieldNodes via this account and not with a blockchain wallet, it's very important to protect your password and information. Once you are inside, the first thing you need to do is go to KYC documents. You can invest before submitting these documents. However, I don't recommend doing so because if later on your KYC approval fails, you may have problems. So it's better to have it set up from the beginning. There are 3 documents you need to submit. First, the agreement. You just need to download it and sign it using an online signing platform. Personally, I used ilovepdf.com because it's really easy to use. I will leave a link for that in the description. Then, a photo identity proof. You can use your ID, passport, or driver's license. Remember, it has to match the name you used when you registered. Send a picture of the ID from both sides and it's good to go. And lastly, your address proof. Submit a document in which both your full name and your address appears. Once you have submitted these documents, you can wait 1 or 2 days for them to approve them. Once you see your KYC documents are approved, as you can see here, you can go to the deposit page and deposit with Bitcoin, USDT, or fiat money like dollars or euros. Depositing USDT or Bitcoin are the easiest ones. You just need to send USDT or Bitcoin from a centralized exchange like Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, and many others, or anywhere where you have these funds. Just remember that if you deposit using Tether USDT, you have to do it so through the Tron network, which is the TRC20 network. The funds will appear in your account in less than 48 hours. The third deposit method is fiat, and you can use debit or credit cards to invest. However, with fiat, the commissions are a bit higher, and I've seen that bank accounts from out of Europe had some problems depositing here. Now, once you deposit it, you just need to wait 7 days for YieldNodes to put your investment into work in Masternodes. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to see more to the point crypto and investing content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.